Welcome to Technicsy, the channel where we discuss the latest trends and news in the world of technology. In this video, I'm going to share you about Make Money with Clickbank. Clickbank is an affiliate marketing platform that allows individuals to make money by promoting other people's products. The platform has over 6 million products, making it one of the largest affiliate networks in the world. In this article, we will explore how you can make money with Clickbank. 1. Choose a profitable niche. The first step to making money with Clickbank is to choose a profitable niche. A niche is a specific area of interest or topic that you will promote products in. Some popular niches on Clickbank include health, wealth, and relationships. It's important to choose a niche that you are passionate about and has a large audience. 2. Find a product to promote. Once you have chosen a niche, the next step is to find a product to promote. Clickbank has a marketplace where you can browse through products and choose one that you want to promote. Look for products that have a high commission rate, good gravity score, and positive reviews. 3. Create a website or blog. To promote your chosen product, you will need to create a website or blog. This will be a platform to share information about the product and promote it to your audience. Make sure your website or blog is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and has high quality content. 4. Drive traffic to your website. To make money with Clickbank, you need to drive traffic to your website. There are several ways to do this, including social media marketing, search engine optimization, and paid advertising. Focus on one or two strategies that work best for you and your niche. 5. Build an email list. One of the best ways to drive traffic to your website is by building an email list. Offer a free resource or incentive to encourage visitors to sign up for your list. Once you have a list, you can promote your chosen product to them through email marketing. 6. Promote the product. Once you have an audience and a list, it's time to promote your chosen product. Write a review or create a video explaining the benefits of the product and how it can help your audience. Include your affiliate link in the content so that your audience can click on it and purchase the product. 7. Track your results. To make the most money with Clickbank, it's important to track your results. Use analytics tools to see which strategies are working best for you and which products are selling the most. Use this information to make adjustments to your marketing strategy and to choose new products to promote. In conclusion, Clickbank is a great platform for making money through affiliate marketing. By choosing a profitable niche, finding a product to promote, creating a website, driving traffic, building an email list, and promoting the product, you can make a substantial income with Clickbank. Remember to track your results and make adjustments to your strategy as needed to maximize your success. How is Clickbank different from other affiliate networks? Clickbank is not your typical affiliate marketing network. 5 good things stand out. 1. Simplicity. The sign-up process is straightforward. You can sign up for a Clickbank account within a few minutes and start trading without complicated paperwork to fill or administrative hoops to jump through. 2. Inclusivity. Anyone can join the network for free. It's perfect for beginners who want to learn the ropes of affiliate marketing. 3. Duality. On most affiliate marketing networks, you either have a vendor or an affiliate account. Clickbank allows you to enter the fray both as a vendor and a marketer so you maximize your earnings. 4. Large selection. With thousands of dazzling affiliate products in every conceivable niche to choose from, your affiliate program choices are numerous. 5. Good commission rates. Clickbank pays high commissions of up to 75% or even 100%. Plus, they pay fast so you won't have to wait long to splurge on that you know what you've had your eye on. However, there are cons as well. 1. Slow customer service. Some reports from the Better Business Bureau claim Clickbank may take up to 7 days to respond to customer emails. You are charged $1 per day after 90 days of no earnings, $5 per day after 180 days of inactivity, and a hefty $50 per day after 360 days of no sales. 3. Some junk products. More about how to overcome this in a bit. 4. Fierce competition for quality programs. A good problem to have, if you ask me. How do I sign up for Clickbank? Let's go through the step-by-step process. To sign up for an account, go to clickbank.com and click on Create Account on the top right side of the menu. Clickbank menu. Next. Step 1. Fill in your personal info. Clickbank account sign up. Step 1. Make sure you complete all fields, otherwise you won't be able to move to the next step. Click on Next Step. Step 2. Provide your bank details. Remember to check the small box to acknowledge that you've read the terms and conditions. Clickbank account sign up. Step 2. If you want to be paid through your company, enter your business name in the pay field instead of your personal name. Your bank info is not used to send payments. That's why they don't ask for your account number, just the name of your primary bank. You pick a payment method after your account is created. Click on Next Step to move on to the last step. Step 3. Create your account. You'll then be asked to create a nickname. Your nickname is your user ID. It's visible to all customers, so don't make it too personal. Clickbank sign up. Stage 3. Affiliate marketing strategy expert Warren Wheeler shares a little known but powerful secret you can use when creating your Clickbank user ID. The last step is creating your password. Once you've chosen a strong password, click Create Account to finalize your account. You'll see a customer survey page. Once you see it, know that your account is now active. Congratulations! You're now ready to do business on one of the biggest affiliate marketplaces in the world. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Smile.